Good morning. It's Monday morning, believe it or not. It's about 25 to 8. Now I drove down here because I'm going to do some range tests today over the sea. It was misty, and obviously with mist it's condensation. I'm worried about if I send out the drones, the motor's going to get wet, because I don't know if you can see the mountains over there. They've got a lovely sort of low cloud mist, and there's still sort of a dampness in the air, but it does look like I might be lucky. So I'm going to sit in my car for about half an hour or so. I don't want to send my drones out there, guys, and get wet on the motors, because that's just going to kill it. But believe it or not, today, if it all goes well, it's going to be the Neo 2. And yeah, I can tell you a little bit more about that in a moment if I decide to fly. So guys, when you remember I took out the Neo 2 a couple of weeks ago over the sea, that would have kept going, but it was because of the battery. I think the battery got down about 54%, and then it had to come back. And it unfortunately, it just got back. But I thought in this test, what I've done, I've removed the prop guards there, and I thought what I'd do this time, even though that's a full battery, I thought what I'll do, I'll plug it into the power station just to prove that these are fully charged, guys. I'm looking for the switch. Right, so yeah, you can see all the lights lit up, they're all 4 bars on it. I've got number 3 there, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove that one. We're going to put on number 1. So we now know that we got supposedly a full battery. It'll be interesting to see by when I set up the controller here, and we'll just see if it is full. Right, just going to turn on the drone mode. So that's one I've just replaced. It's already charging again, which is interesting. Right, I might have to connect it to the controller, because I've got a feeling I was flying another drone the other day. Right, it's gone straight in. It's connected because I've got the green lights. And I've got 98%, guys. At the moment, I've lost my front tooth. So you're going to find some of my wording a bit off. Especially off, fuss. Anyway, interesting that I come all the way down here with a power station, plugged in the batteries, just to make sure that they're fully charged, because like you said, sometimes when you fully charge your batteries, you leave them overnight and you're going to lose some percentage, but they're to make any difference. So by the time I get this up in the air, it's probably going to be 97, probably even 96. So that's a shame, that, because I thought the more power we've got on this, the better. But I've removed the guards. I'm not going to put the video on, because I'm going to put on the screen so you can see what's going on there, and hopefully we'll get past the other mark, which I'll put there because I can't remember it offhand, but it was quite a distance, I thought, for this little thing. The weather's looking a bit better. Yeah, should we get on with it? And I've just I've just seen them, the seagulls. 2 seagulls. Oh no. Anyway, I mean, what's interesting, there is, I don't know if you can see it, there is a fishing boat just over there, so that is going to attract the seagulls. But anyway, luckily those 2 are going down coast. So anyway, let's get on with it before the weather does change. Okay, now with all these things that I do, I always get a problem for some reason. So what I'm doing at the moment, guys, I'm taking off the full battery that was only 98%, because when I turned on my RC2 controller to put on the screen save, it was saying insufficient resources or something. Otherwise it wouldn't do a screen call. It's doing it at the moment, so I'm just changing over the battery to another one because this one had already dropped down to 96%. So hopefully by putting a new battery, putting it on, maybe it didn't want to go out there. Maybe that's what it's playing up, isn't it? Right, so I put on the new battery. We got 100% on this one. Okay.
Home point updated.
Home point's been updated. Let's get it going because it's stopped messing about. So this one has already dropped down to 99%, but hey, and I've just seen a couple of seagulls shooting across there, but hey ho. I'm just going to send it up a little bit. Right, fingers crossed. Let's get out there. Right, off he goes. Now, I'll check the wind. That's not supposed to be turning up for later on. It's all looking good. Oh, satellite, eh? Oh, satellite's dropping. Satellite's dropping. No satellite. Okay, back to the satellite. Now, like I said, it could be, and I hope that's not going to be the problem. Right. Okay, the satellite's coming out again. We've got 24 satellites. It's just saying that the positioning's not good. What do I do? Do I carry on, guys? I don't know. I don't like this. I'm only 92 feet off the ground. It's already dropped down to 86% already. We got 22 satellites, I think. Oh, there's another boat. Yeah, I can see the other boat just in front of me. And now it looks like we're just about to go past that one. So that probably means there's going to be some those amazing seagull birds hanging around. Anyway, we'll probably catch him on the way back because he's coming across. Well, we got 22%. We still got 20. Oh yeah, the satellites are doing all right. I was a little bit concerned about the. Anyway, stop thinking about it. Just keep flying, baby. Now I'm sure when I did this last, even though I got a piece of paper, it was like 5,000. 5,000. Right. Anyway, we've gone past that boat that I can see. You can't see it, which is good. Right. So, oh, we're dropping. We're dropping. No, back up. That's good. Yeah, we're still going well. No seagulls yet. I think what I'll do, if I did see any seagulls, I'll just raise the drone up. I'll just keep it at 92 feet at the moment. Still got full signal. We're on 72. Still going. Still going. Right. Oh, now we're starting to lose the signal a bit. Well, it's dropped down to 4 bars. Yeah, we've got down to 3. Right. Okay, I'm gonna image. So what I'm starting to lose now is obviously the image on the screen. Weak. It's back again. Well, I just want to push it a little bit more, if it's possible. Come on, baby, you can do it. Right, image transmission is getting weak. Okay, we're on 65. Can we get out over the 6,000? That's the thing I want to know. Okay, 60, coming down to 60. We're over 6,000. Well, you know, it's like, this is like a race, you know. Okay, 62%. Right. I can see the orange line creeping up now, and I think what's going to happen, it's going to say, I've had enough, mate. Still going. Still going.
Battery level is low.
Right.
Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
Guys, I'm going to stop it there because, yeah.
Return to home.
Return to home. Now you can see, you can definitely see that I'm over the sea. I can say C, all right. It's F's I have a problem with at the moment. Okay, so we got 4 bars coming back. It didn't, looking this way, it didn't look so nice, does it? Now, hopefully, now there's a boat over there. It might pick up this boat here. And it proves that I'm down on the beach. And I've just seen 5 seagulls. Oh, freaking hell. And they're coming my way. But they're coming my way. Oh, now there's the drone. Shit. Fuck me. Beg my pardon there. They were just, I can see the drone. They were just below it. But I think they're not bothered. Oh, thank God for that. Because that would have been a right ruin. I don't know if I caught, I don't think that was on the video, but we'll see what happens later on. So anyway, it's coming down. I don't know, it might land on the table, you know. That'd be interesting. Looks like to land just a bit off the table. Let's see if I can catch that. We've still got 29%. Oh no, I think that's going to land on the table, you know. Hey, look at that. Look at that. I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting to catch it. Yeah, I'll be interested to know from you guys if you've been noticing, if you've been doing screen saves recently, it's coming up with some sort of discrepancy, because wasting my time trying to get that going. Anyway, we've got 26% left still. Funny thing is, I'm sure when I did the other video, I didn't have that much percentage left, but that, I'm sure, went further. Yeah. Anyway, main thing is, he come back. Yeah, and I can see some more seagulls now. So, hope you enjoyed that. That's the main thing. I enjoyed it, but I'll be honest, it does make you wonder if it's going to come back. But yeah, I'm pretty amazed with that. So as always, with my gappy teeth, I'll catch you in another video very sooner.